Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tasty jackfruit coconut recipe. This unique recipe is inspired from South Indian kitchen. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 4 cups of sliced jackfruit pieces. Also take 1/4 cup of sliced jackfruit seeds. Then add half cup of water, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. After mixing, close the lid and switch on the flame. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Open the lid and give a stir in between. In the meanwhile, we can make the grinder mixture. In a grinder jar, take half cup of grated coconut. Then add 3 shallots, some curry leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds to it. Coarse grind it. You don't need a paste, so don't add water. Keep aside for later use. We have cooked jackfruit for 5 minutes. Open the lid and add 2 teaspoons tamarind dissolved hot water. Mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Then add the grinder mixture to it. Also add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of water. Mix it nicely. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Finally, add 1 teaspoon coconut oil and some curry leaves. Mix it well. Cook for a minute. Switch off the flame. Tasty jackfruit coconut recipe is ready. This unique recipe is inspired from South Indian kitchen. Just have a try.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.